Hello friends, today we'll learn about how do we calculate the position for Ardhaprahara, Yamaganthak, Gulika and Kaal on a horoscope. For calculation of the position of these Upgrahas, first we need to calculate the start time and end time of these Upgrahas. See, Ardhaprahara is a Upgraha for Mercury, Yamaganthaka is a Upgraha for Jupiter, Gulika is an Upgraha for Saturn and Kaal is an Upgraha for Sun. Calculation of these Upgraha's position. First, we need to divide the duration of entire day or entire night into 8 equal parts, as I have mentioned here. The duration of the day or the night is divided into 8 equal parts. In case if the birth is in daytime, then the first partition is allotted to the lord of that particular day, followed by remaining lord of the week in cyclic order, and the eighth part remains lordless or Nirish. In case the birth is in night between sunset and next day sunrise, the first partition is allotted to the fifth day from the day of birth, following the remaining lords of the week in cyclic order. For example, let's take an example. The birth time is 10:24:00 IST, means AM birth at 10:24 AM. So it is a day birth between the sunrise and sunset for today, and the birth day of the birth is Tuesday. So we have divided this sunrise to sunset into 8 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first part is allotted to the day dt of that particular day. It is Tuesday, then followed by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, and the eighth part remain unallotted to any day. So corresponding to these days, we have Lord associated. For example, for Tuesday we have Mars, for Wednesday we have Mercury, for Thursday we have Jupiter, for Friday we have Venus, for Saturday we have Saturn, for Sunday we have Sun, and for Monday we have Moon. So this is how we divide it into 8 equal parts, and it is known as Dinmaan. Dinmaan is the sunset minus sunrise. Total duration between sunset and sunrise is known as Dinmaan. Now let's take an example for night birth. If the birth time is 22:29:00 IST, that is 10:29 p.m. Day of the birth is Saturday. So from Saturday we count 5. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday is the fifth day. So we allot first house to Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and eighth block remains unallotted to any lord. This is I have mentioned fifth day from the day of birth because it is ninth birth after sunset, and it is known as Ratrimaan. The entire duration is sunrise next day minus sunset of previous day. Hope this is clear to you. Now let's take an example for Shri K. N. Rao sir. Date of birth is 12th October 1931, Chilipatnam. LMT correction, sidereal correction is 1 second. It is LMT correction is minus 5 minute 32 second. Longitude is 81 degree 7 arc minute and latitude is 16 degree 11 arc minute 9. The sunrise for that particular day is 05:56:58 and sunset is 17:47:39, and it is a Monday birth. So we will calculate the Dinmaan is equal to sunset minus sunrise, that is 17:47:39 minus 5:56:58. So we get 11 hour 50 minute and 41 second. This is how I have shown, like how do we take carry and do the calculation here on the right hand side. Now this is our total Dinmaan, and now we have to divide it into 8 equal parts. So maan for every portion is total Dinmaan divided by 8. So it comes out 1 hour 28 minute and 50.125 seconds. Here I have shown how do we do the division of 11 hour 50 minute and 41 second by 8. 8 ones are 8, so it is 1 hour. Then 3 is remainder. Now 3 is less than 8, so we multiply it by 60 to reduce it into lower unit, which is 180 minutes plus 50 minutes this, so we have 230 minutes. Now we divide 230 by 8, it is 28 times it is 224. So this is 28 minutes. Now 6 is remaining. Since 6 is less than 8, we convert it into lower unit. 6 into 6 is 360 plus 41 from here. So it is 401. Now we divide 401. 8 is 50 times 8 is 400. Now one remainder we attach point, then 10, then so on. So it is 50.125 seconds. So we have written this value. So first now we'll get the T1. T1 is sunrise plus man per day. So I have rounded it to 50 seconds. 05, 56, 58 plus 1 hour, 28 minute and 50 second. So we get T1 as 7, 25, 48. From T1 we calculate T2, from T2 we calculate T3 and so on. So T1 is T6 plus man per span is coming out by this 16, 18 and 48. So I have noted down the value of T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. T1 start at this time and end at here when T2 start, and T2 start here and end at here where T3 start, and so on. T3 start here and end at T4. T4 start here and end at T5. T5 start here and end at T6, and T6 start here and end at T7. I have calculated the start time for T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 and T7. So for Sri K.N. Rao sir, the birthday is Monday, so we allotted the first block to Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and last block remains unallotted to any lot. So for calculation of Ardhaprahara, the Ardhaprahara start at T2 and end at T3. We will calculate it. Ardhaprahara start at T2 and end at T3. So duration start at T2. T2 is this start time and end at start of T3. So similarly for Yamaganthaka it start at T3 and end at T4. This is the start and end time of the duration for that particular Upgraha. In Bharti Vidyavan we use end time of Upgraha for calculating its position. So let's calculate it for Ardhaprahara. So the Ardhaprahara end time is this, and rest of the things when we calculate like the place of birth, year and day of birth remains the birth of the native. So here we'll take it for Sri K.N. Rao sir. Our time is 10:23:28. So we write it for calculation of block 1 10:23:28, and the LMT correction is minus 5 minutes 32 seconds. So we subtract it. So it became LMT corrected time. LMT corrected time is 10:17:56, which is an AM birth. So difference from 12 noon we subtract from 12:000 to 10:17:56. It is 1:42:04. Here I have shown you the calculation. How do we solve it? And after that we'll use table of ascendant. Page 5, table 4. For increased time interval, for 1 hour it is 10 seconds, and for 42 minutes and 4 seconds it is 7 seconds. So we add it. So we get A value as 1 hour 42 minutes and 21 seconds. For calculation of block 2, we take 12 October 1900 at 82 and a half at 12 noon. So the value is 13:21:30, and for year correction for 1931 is minus 2 minutes 1 second. We subtract it from here, and the sidereal correction for the place is 1 second. So we add it. So we get the B value as 13, 19, 20. Since it is a AM birth, we'll do B minus A. B minus A 13, 19, 30 minus 1 hour 42 minutes and 21 seconds. So after subtracting it, we get 11 hour 37 minutes and 9 seconds. And how do we subtract 42 from 19? I have shown this calculation over here. Take carry from this and do the calculation. So this is the sidereal time at epoch Ardhaprahara. After that, we'll look page 24 of table of ascendant for 16° latitude, because this is the nearest latitude available for 16° 11 arc minute. So we take the base value is 11:36 because our sidereal time at epoch is 11:37. So it is between 36 and 40. 36 it is 7 sine 25 degree and 5 arc minute, and for 40 it is 7 sine 25 degree and 39 arc minute. So it is a direct motion. So we subtract the base value from the next value. So we get 4 minutes on left hand side and we get 34 arc minute on the right hand side. So we calculate for 1 minute, we divide 34 by 4. For once, for we convert from minute to second. 1 into 60 second is equal to this, and 1 second is equal to, we take 60 here. Now the zodiac belt movement or sidereal time at epoch was 11 hour 37 minute 9 second, or base value is 11:36. So the total difference between these two is 1 minute 9 second. So 1 minute 9 second can be written as 69 seconds. So we calculate zodiac belt movement for 69 seconds by multiplying 1 second value with 69. So we get 2346 divided by 240, which is 9.775 arc minute. We take the value after point and convert it into the lower unit by multiplying it by 60. So we get 9 arc minute and 46.5 arc second. So I'm rounded it off. You can round it off to either 46 or 47 since it is a mid place. So I rounded it to 9 arc minute and 47 arc second. So we add it to the base value. Base value is 7 sine 25 degree and 5 arc minute plus 9 arc minute 47 arc second. So we get 7 sine 25 degree 14 arc minute and 47 second. After that we do the Ainamsha correction for 1931, which is arc minute. So we add it. So we get the position for Ardhaprahara is 7 sine 25 degree 20 arc minute and 47 arc second. Similarly, now we calculate for Yamaganthaka. Yamaganthaka end time is 11:52:18. We do the LMT correction. So we get this again. AM birth, take the difference from noon, it is 13 minutes and 14 seconds. Here I have shown you the calculation. How do we subtract when we have 0 on the right hand side and lower value is having some number. And increased time interval for 13 minutes 14 seconds is 2 seconds. So we add it. We get 13 minutes and 16 seconds as A value. B value we just calculated above remains 13, 19, 30. Since it is a AM birth, we do B minus A. So we get 13, 06, 14. Now again we refer, this is our sidereal time at epoch. So we refer page 24 of table of ascendant for latitude 16 degree. 13, 06, 14 lies between 04 and 08. So we take the base value for 1304, which is 8 sine 15 degree and 13 arc minute, and next value is 1308, which is 8 sine 16 degree 9 arc minute. It is again a direct motion since the value is increasing. So we subtract from next value the base value. We get 4 minute on the left hand side and 56 arc minute on the right hand side. So we calculate for 1 minute by dividing it by 4. Then for 1 second it is 56 by 4 into 60 arc minute. And here we calculate the zodiac belt movement. Sidereal time at epoch was 13:06:14. Base value is 1304. So we get 2 minute 14 seconds. So 2 minute 14 second can be written as 120 plus 14, which is 134 seconds. So we calculate it for 134 seconds. So we get 31 arc minute, 31.26667 arc minute. So we take 31 out and convert the point value into lower unit by multiplying by 60. So we get 31 arc minute and 16 arc seconds. So we add it to the base value for this is the zodiac belt movement. So we get 8 sine 15 degree 44 arc minute and 16 arc second. And Ainamsha correction for year 1931 is plus 6 arc second. So we add it. So this is the position of the Yamaganthaka, 8 sine 15 degree 50 arc minute and 16 arc second. Similarly, let's calculate for Gulika. The Gulika end time is 14:49:58. So we subtract LMT correction. So LMT corrected time is a PM birth, which is 14:44:26. So we subtract 12 noon. We get 2 hour 44 minute and 26 seconds. So increased time interval for 2 hour it is 20 seconds, and for 44 minutes and 26 seconds it is 7 seconds. So we get, after adding this, 2 hour 44 minutes and 53 seconds as the A value. B value we know from our calculations is 13, 19, 30. Since it is a PM birth, so we'll do B plus A. So we added it. So B plus A, I've shown how we do this calculation. On the right hand side, we get 160423. So this is our sidereal time at epoch. From sidereal time at epoch, we calculate the ascendant. So we again refer page 24 in table of ascendant, and 160423 lies between 04 and 08. So we have written base value as 04 and next value as 08, which is 10 sine 1 degree 50 arc minute and 10 sine 3 degree 0 arc minute. So we subtract it. So we get 4 minute equal to 1 degree 10 arc minute, which can be written as 4 minute equal to 60 arc minutes plus 10 arc minute, because 1 degree is equal to 60 arc minutes. So it is 70 for 1 minute, it is 70 by 4. For 1 second it is 70 by 4 into 60, and zodiac belt movement is sidereal time at epoch minus base value, which is 23 seconds. So we calculate it for 23 seconds. So it is 6.70833. We convert the lower point values into lower unit by multiplying by it 60. So we get 6 arc minute and 42.5 arc second. So I have taken it as 43. You can take either it as 42 or 45 if it is 0.5. If it is less than 0.5, then you have to take it as 42, and if it is greater than 0.5, then you have to take it as 43. So I have added the base value and the zodiac belt moment into it. So it is 10 sine 1 degree 56 arc minute and 43 arc second. So I added the Anamsha correction. So the Anamsha, after Anamsha correction, it is 10 sine 2 degree 2 arc minute and 43 arc second. And after, how did I perform this calculation? I have shown on the right hand side. Like 56 plus 6 is 62. 62 can be written as 60 plus 2. 1 degree is equal to 60 arc minute. So I have taken it as here. So we get 10 sine 2 degree 2 arc minute and 43 arc second. So this is the ascendant for Gulika. Similarly, let's calculate for Kaal. The Kaal, the end time is this. So we'll take as it as the birth time. The LMT correction is minus 5 minute 32 second. I've subtracted. So it is again a PM birth. Take the difference from 12. It is 4 hour 13 minute and 16 second. We perform the increased time interval. For 4 hour it is 39 seconds, and for 15 minutes 16 seconds it is 2 seconds. So we added it, and this increased time interval is present on page 5 of table of ascendant, and A value is now, after adding it, is 4 hour 13 minutes and 14 seconds. B value we have calculated above is 13, 19, 30. Since it is a PM birth, we will do B plus A, so we have added B plus A. After adding these, we get 17, 33, 27 as sidereal time at epoch. So we again refer page 24 for latitude 16 degree. It is 1733. So 33 lies between 32 and 36. So we taken 1732 as the base value and 1736 as the next value. We have placed these values over here, and we do the subtraction. So for 4 minutes it is 1 degree 14 arc minute. So for 4 we can write 1 degree as 16 arc minute. So we have taken it for easier calculation. 4 minute equal to 74 arc minute, 1 minute equal to 70 by 4, 24 by 4. For 1 second it is 74 by 4 into 60, and zodiac belt movement is or sidereal time at epoch is 1733.27 minus base value is 1732. So we get 1 minute 27 seconds, which can be written as 87 seconds. So we calculate the zodiac belt movement for 87 seconds, multiplying it with 1 second value, and we got 26.825 arc minute. So we write 26 and convert the values after point into lower unit. So which is, by multiplying by 60, is 26 arc minute and 49.5 arc second. So I am writing it as 50. So I add Now this is the zodiac belt movement, so we have to add it into the base value. Adding into the base value, we get 10 sine 28 degree, 44 arc minute, and 50 arc second. And Amsha correction for 1931 is 6 arcs minute, so I add it into the calculated value. So we get 10 sine 28 degree, 50 arc minute, and 50 arc second. So this is the ascendant for Kaal or the position for Kaal. This is how we calculate the position for these upgrahas. Thank you.